Welcome to Anandi's kitchen. Today we'll be making udad dal kachori. I'll be making with both atta and maida. Both turn out crispy and are tasty. Let's see what all we need and how we make. I've soaked udad dal for an hour and coarsely ground it. Now I've taken dhania, jeera, amchoor, turmeric powder, some oil, besan and the coarse paste of the dal. First, we are going to add oil in the pan. I've added about 3 tablespoons of oil and I'm going to fry the besan first till the besan gets golden brown. Now I'm adding the coarse dal paste and keep frying in low flame. Now we'll add in all the masalas. I'm going to add the turmeric powder, chilli powder, amchoor powder, the garam masala powder, then the saunf, some salt, and we'll be frying this in low flame till the dal separates. I've added some Hing. We are going to fry this in low flame. This I've taken half cup of dal which I've coarsely ground and 2 cups of the flour. I'm going to do with 1 cup of atta and 1 cup of maida. Now the dal mixture has become dry. Let's now make the dough. Here I've taken 1 cup of maida flour. I'm adding some ajwain. I'm going to crush it and add it. Little bit of salt. And I've taken 3 tablespoons of ghee. Let's mix this thoroughly. This way we have to test the mixture. Now I'm adding little bit of water. I've added only 1/4 cup of water here to make the dough. Mix the dough. Till it is tight. Leave it for some time. Now it's been 20 minutes. Now I'm making small balls of the dough. Just make it small cup by pressing with your fingers. Now let's add the dal mixture and slowly we are going to cover it this way. See that it is sealed properly, otherwise it may break and the masalas come out. You can just roll it softly with the rolling pin or just press it this way. We'll make all the kachoris. Now the oil is hot. I am going to fry them slowly. I have kept it in a low flame. This way we'll fry them both the sides till they are golden brown. You can see they have puffed up, and it took about 8 to 9 minutes to fry each batch in low flame. See, the crispy maida kachoris are ready. Now let's test it. You can see they are very crisp. And this is the atta kachori. Only there's a color difference, and taste will be the same. This is more healthier version. If you're not using maida, you can use atta. Udad dal kachori is ready.